So in this problem we have to calculate the ratio between maximum and minimum intensity, and the ratio of amplitudes is already given. So we have A1 is to A2 is equal to 3 is to 1, and the ratio between maximum and minimum intensity in terms of the amplitudes is given by under root I1 plus under root I2 divided by under root I1 minus under root I2 whole square. Okay, under root I1 is basically the amplitude of the wave 1, and under root I2 is the amplitude of the wave 2. So which are nothing but A1 and A2. So we can write this as A1 plus A2 divided by A1 minus A2 whole square. Now if I take out A2 common from both numerator and denominator, I'll get A1 by A2 plus 1 whole square divided by A1 by A2 minus 1 whole square. So we substitute the value of A1 is to A2, which is 3 is to 1. So we get A1 by A2 as 3. And this gives us 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 whole square, which will be 4. So the ratio between maximum and minimum intensity is 4.